gym. It's been a proving ground, a place where ordinary people discover how far they can go. Every competition has written its own story of resilience, of teamwork, of heart. The bars have been lifted higher, the workouts tougher, the athletes stronger, and now we celebrate 10 years of that relentless drive, 10 years of community, 10 years of pushing past what was once impossible. This is more than a competition. It's a tribute to everyone who showed up, gave their all, and never backed down. Today you showed what strength truly means. From matros to skipper, every division brought fire, fight, and heart. It wasn't just reps or rounds, it was grit, community, and pure determination. Every athlete, every cheer, every moment mattered. Whether you stood on the podium or emptied your tank on the floor, you were part of something bigger. The early mornings, the missed lifts, the hands that pulled you through, this place finds you and keeps you honest. We don't build alone, we build each other. One box, one fight, one family. So bring that same fire back next year.